Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the physical connection you need. Look for an RJ45 jack or plan to use a USB to Ethernet adapter. Once done, examine both cable ends for bent pins and choose Cat5e or Cat6 for gigabit speeds. That matters because cable quality affects throughput. Make sure the laptop is on and Wi-Fi is off to test the wired link immediately, and plug the adapter into an available USB port if the RJ45 is absent. You now insert the cable. Align the RJ45 clip with the laptop jack and push firmly until you hear or feel a click. That click confirms a secure mechanical connection. If you're using an adapter, use a short one to reduce strain and keep the cable gentle. Sharp bends reduce reliability. After plugging in, open Network or System Settings to watch the link status and auto-negotiation. This shows speed and duplex, explaining why the connection performs at the expected rate. You finish by verifying the connection. Run a quick ping or speed test to confirm connectivity and throughput, because tests show whether bandwidth is meeting expectations. If there's no link, reseat the cable, try another port or adapter, or swap in a known good cable to isolate the fault. Also make sure drivers are current and power-saving Ethernet settings aren't disabling the port. If problems persist, reboot the laptop to clear transient issues and retest the wired connection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.